Hey team, what's going on? So I got my green screen all squared away, and I've been using it in some of my videos. So I thought maybe y'all would like to see how to use a green screen, and how I use it and edit it using LumaFusion on my iPad Pro. Today, on Studio 214.
Are you ready? Grab a brush.
Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
So this is a clip from one of my videos I did recently. Check the card and check out the video. It's about mummies in ancient Egypt. Super cool. Obviously, I'm not in Egypt. I'm in Texas. But that doesn't mean I can't go on a magical journey to wherever. So here I am with a cartoon drawing I did for a background. It's Egypt again. And yep, you guessed it, I'm not in cartoon Egypt at all. I'm still in Texas. But that's the magic of the green screen. Did you all see how I made this green screen? You guys, don't buy your own green screen. Make your own. Or, if you want to buy one, message me and I'll make you one. Either way, watch this video over here and learn how to make your own green screen. So here's the flow. Go into LumaFusion. I store my backgrounds in my Procreate folder. Find the background you're looking for and drop it into the timeline. Make it the right length so that it will cover the entire clip you want the Chroma Key. Next, grab your clip and put it in the timeline. Make sure it's the right length and resize the clip. Press on either side of the blue live view line at the same time. Now discard what you don't need. Tap the clip 3 times to drop the audio section, and then get rid of that audio clip. Now tap twice to go to the clip editor. Hit the crop menu on the right, and crop out all the parts of the screen you don't need. This will help give the program less to Chroma Key out and will give better results. I think. Sounds good anyway. When it's nice and cropped out, hit the Chroma Key icon and pick the box that best looks like it is Chroma Keyed out. Then adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness to best Chroma Key out the green screen background. Scroll through the whole clip and adjust fire as necessary. When you are done, back out. Sometimes one part of the clip looks good, but another won't, so adjust the ranges as you see fit to make it all look good. Let's do the next clip. Go to where it's kept, mine is in Procreate. I'm gonna grab the cartoon background now, and put it on the timeline. Then the green screen clip on top of it. It's layered, so whatever you wanted on top, put on top. Adjust, cut, and discard what you don't need. Tap twice to go to the video editor. Crop it. Hit the color button and effects icon, then the Chroma Key icon, and then adjust fire as necessary to get the effect you want. Be careful with using white fabric. It will reflect some of the green from the green screen and give the Chroma Key a fit. Search the whole slip and adjust as you see fit. Did I say slip? I meant clip. Search the whole clip and adjust where you see fit. Don't forget to check the whole clip and make sure the Chroma Key actually Chroma Keyed everything out the way you want. Then adjust the clip length to get the shot you're looking for. Well team, that's all for today. And now you know how to Chroma Key things out in LumaFusion. If you don't have LumaFusion, I would consider it. So the question of the day is, what software do you use, if not Luma? In the meantime, I'm going to the house. For Studio 214, I'm Gray. Thanks for watching, everyone.